How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Welcome to another All About RVs. Today we're looking at Amazon Prime deal days where they put a massive amount of things on sale. Well, today I wanted to sift through there, find the best deals for RV. The things that I found this year are some of the best prices that I've seen all year for these products, and some of them are fun and some of them are essential gear for RV. I've got some good finds for this Prime Day, so let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So starting off, we have a fun one with a smokeless fire pit. This one is the lowest price that I've seen this all year round, coming in at $139. These smokeless fire pits have gotten really popular, and this one has the grate to be able to cook on it outside. So if you wanted a smokeless fire pit with the ability to cook outside, this is a pretty good deal for a medium-sized one. Next one on our list is also a trend we're seeing in RVing, and it's an air fryer, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. At 26% off for $140, that's 12% below the lowest price that we've seen this all year. We don't have that style. We had a place to mount one like a toaster oven inside our RV, and we use the air fryer option all the time. So if you don't have a place to be able to mount one inside your RV and you wanted an air fryer, this might be a great solution to where you can pull it out when you need it and put it away when you don't. Good sell on this one. Now, another company that always has a really good sale for these Prime Days is Camco. They have a lot of essential gear for RVing, like sewer hoses. They have the Camco RhinoFlex Extreme for 55% off for $76. The lowest year-to-date price on that as well. And they also have the 15-foot version, the RhinoFlex sewer hose at 50% off at $31.42. This is the hose we've been using for years. I like the ends. I like that it holds its shape. It's good and durable. It's a US company and they last a long time, but eventually they do need to be replaced. So if you look at yours and you're thinking it's probably getting close to the end of its life, why not get it at the lowest price possible throughout the year and have it ready to go? They also have drinking hoses, and I don't know that everybody knows this, but Camco has flat drinking hoses now that take up way less space, but they have that on this Amazon Prime deal days. 37% off, coming in at $20, just under $20. And like I've said before, it's a good idea to check the inside of your hoses because sometimes they can start to deteriorate. Things could be growing inside of there. You might need to sanitize it. It might be time to replace it. So check your hose while the sale is going on, because why not get it when it's on sale rather than paying full price later? And the same thing can be said for the water filter. They also have their water filters on sale for $16. The next thing on our list is also the lowest price of the year, which is the Trailer Aid Plus, coming in at $51. So if you have a tandem axle trailer and you need to be able to lift one of those tires off the ground, this is a really simple ramp where you can drive the other tire up onto it. Gives you a 5.5-inch lift so you can change the other tire if you needed to. Quick and easy. This one's really popular for RVers. They also have the brass RV water pressure regulator, one of the most simple pressure regulators you can use for $9.29. They also have the fasten leveling blocks for $31, one of the only block system that has an integrated wheel chock. Very versatile. Next, we have RV extension cords. If you needed a 30 or a 50 amp extension cord, those are on Amazon Prime deal days right now. So if you needed a 50 amp, 50 feet, that's at $276. If you needed a 50 foot, 30 amp extension, that's $101.52. And I think a majority of their power grip extensions are on sale. They have the one with the 90-degree locking end for $110. And when you look at the amount of people that have reviewed it and how high that rating is on Amazon, it's no surprise that these are quality cables. So if you needed a farther extension to be able to reach farther for power, or if you needed to replace your cable, get a good quality one that you can depend on, and you should probably inspect yours anyways. See if the ends are looking good, if things are starting to fall apart on your power cord, or if there's been overheating on those contacts on the end. So if that's the case, you probably need to replace the head or replace the cable entirely and get a new one. So they're on sale right now. Next thing I found was a DeWalt drill and impact driver, coming in at 50% off at $129. For the same setup, I just did a quick comparison to Home Depot. They had it at $149. So $129 is a pretty good deal, especially since it comes with a couple of batteries. The drill is something that I use around the RV all the time, whether I'm getting the spare tire in and out, emergency backup for the leveling system, for the awning, whatever it is, a drill comes in really handy. Now, something that I saw on this Prime Day list that comes up a lot are these cordless small chainsaws. They're really inexpensive, so let me know if you have any experience with these. Leave a comment down below if they come in really handy or are they kind of a gimmick. Are they not big enough to do anything? So let me know. Because I'm not sure if it would do much better than a pruning blade for a sawzall, but I'm curious. Next up is a quick word from a sponsor, which is Waggle, and they also have ads going on for Prime Day deals going on. But they did just come out with a new camera, the RV4G Mini. They're well known for being the pet monitor system for RVers to make sure your temperature in the RV is not getting too hot, the humidity's right, you're not losing power, so that your pets can stay safe inside the RV. But they now have camera systems. They have Wi-Fi options, but the new one is cell-based. And when using it, the battery can last up to 2 months, or you can use the solar panel and have it work indefinitely. You can also use this camera in multiple different places. So it has a magnetic base. So if you wanted to use it inside the RV, if you wanted to mount it outside the RV, you can move it around really easy. And it is dust-proof and waterproof, so you actually can use it outside without having to worry about it getting ruined. So if you're interested in getting one on sale, click the link down in the description. There's going to be links to everything that we talk about in today's video down in the description and in that first comment. Next on our list is a portable propane fire pit, coming in at $99, lowest price of the year for this one. Next up is the Coleman folding table, which we have used for a very long time. Again, lowest price of the year for this one as well, coming in at $48. This is our favorite table that we've ever had for RVing. Very sturdy, durable, and it's lasted a long time. Next up, we have some solar gear. Renogy has a bunch of things that are on sale. I'm a Victron guy, but there's still good uses for this Renogy equipment. So a 3,000 watt inverter comes in at $319, the lowest price of the year. Or their Renogy 200 watt solar panel kit coming in at $132. There are ways to get cheaper solar out there, but it's a pretty decent price for Renogy panels. I'm probably gonna look at 200 watt panels for our RV. I think they make a better use of the space than the 100 watt panels, but we'll take a look at that later. Next on our list is EcoFlow. They have the Delta Max 2 with solar panels at $1,139. They also have the Delta Pro, which is aged really well. With the extra battery, it's at $2,944. Or if you already had the Delta Pro and you wanted to get an extra battery, they have that on sale for $1,300. Moving to a couple other simple items out there. If you wanted to get a wagon, they have the lowest price of the year on this at $43.40. It's a collapsible wagon, so you can pack it away easy and then move stuff around if you needed to. Also, there's a collapsible cooler coming in at $28.04. These are great so you can still have a cooler on hand, but you don't have to take up a ton of space with it. Next, we have a mini projector with a screen for $49.98. There's actually a plethora of projectors. You have one for $175. You have one for $260. The list could really go on at a lot of different price points, but kind of a fun idea for an evening family movie night. There's also 32 feet of camping string lights for $13, matching the lowest price of the year. And then we also have a hammock with a mosquito net over the top for just under $20. Comes with the straps, the stakes, and the guy lines. And to get rid of the bugs, the Dynatrap 1 acre bug trap at 21% off for $90. Again, lowest priced of the year, is listed as one of their best deals. It attracts mosquitoes and traps them. So I'm going to continue going through this list, seeing if I can find other deals that are out there that are really good that should be considered and looked at if you're looking for those products. So like I said, links are going to be down in the description. I'll continue to pin that first comment of good ideas that if you see something that's a great idea for our RVers on Prime Day deals, put it down in the comments and I'll add it to the list up above. So I think that's going to do it for today. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're looking for a deal or looking for some essential gear that you're going to need to replace, that I hope this helped you find that deal. So as always, if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video. Take care.